Do you really want to be an impressive public speaker? Do you really want to stand in front of large audience, be it offline or online? You want to stand and you want to give an impressive talk. You want to give an impressive presentation. Think about it. Hi guys, I'm Subhash Karthik, digital communication coach. I've learned from my communication guru three important lines in Hindi that सांड की पहचान उसकी सिंग से होती है, इंसान की पहचान उसकी बोली से होती है और बोलने वाला धनी होता है. Guys, you want to be anyone in this world, remember you need to be an awesome public speaker. Do you really want to be an impressive speaker? Then join our 7 days workshop. The joining link is given above. Click on that link. You have to just pay 199 for this 7 days workshop. Don't miss it.